This is our presentation.
So this is the first example of the 5 real-life problems that can be solved using quadratic equation. So the first question is, a rectangular garden has an area of 84 meters squared and a perimeter of 38 meter. Find its length and width. So we were gonna find the length and its width. So let's start with the basics. So in the problem, it is mentioned that the area is equals to 84 and the perimeter is equals to 38. So let's find the length and its width. So 84 is L times W and 38 is 2 over parenthesis L plus W. So para matanggal ang 2, let's divide it by 2. So 38 divided by 2 is equals to 19. And 2 over parenthesis L plus W over 2, it is divided. So ang 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. So let's x that. So ang matira nala is L plus W. So 19 equals to L plus W, and the L, let's transpose it to the other side, which the positive will become negative. So may mo siyang 19 minus, because it will become negative, L is equals to W. So tapos na ta sa perimeter. Now let's move on to solve the area. So ang area is 84 is equals to L over parenthesis 19 minus L. So 84 is equals to, so L times L is equals to L squared. Plus 19 times L is equals to 19L. So i-transpose na to from the other side. So transpose it from the left side. L squared, transpose it to the left side. And the 19L, transpose it to the other side, which will become negative. Kabaliktaran sa iyang sign sa dire. So, may mo siyang L squared minus 19L plus 84 is equals to 0. So, let's use the quadratic formula in solving this equation. So, A is equals to 1. Because L, ang yang kuan is 1. So, B is equals to negative 19 and C is equals to 84. So, L is equals to negative over parenthesis negative 19 plus or positive negative square root of negative 19 squared minus 4 times 1 times 84. Over overall 2 times 1. Next, 19 positive negative square root of, so ang positive negative times negative is positive. So 19 times 19, 361. Next, 4 times 1 is equals to 4. 4 times 84 is equals to 336. Overall 2. Next, 19 positive negative. So, ang 361 minus 336 is 25 over 2. So, 19, let's separate the sign. So, 19 plus 5 over 2. And 19 minus 5 over 2. So, the answer is 24 over 2 and 14 over 2. So, let's divide it. So, 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. 14 divided by 2 is equals to 7. So, how to find the length and its width? So, ang 19 minus length is equals to width. So, let's try the other length, okay? So, 19 minus 12 is equals to 7. And then the other one, 19 minus 7 is equals to 12. Therefore, its length and width is equals to 12. The length is 12 and the width is 7.
This is the second example of quadratic equation. Finance in business Quadratic equations are often used in finance and business to analyze profit, revenue, and cost functions. For instance, you can use a quadratic equation to determine the break-even point for a product or service where revenue equals cost.
Number 2 example. The area of a concrete rectangular pathway is 350 meters squared and its perimeter pathway is 90 meters. What is the length of the pathway? So the area is equals to 350 and the perimeter is equals to 90. So 350 is equals to L times W. 90 is equals to 2 over parenthesis L plus W. So let's divide it by 2. So 90 divided by 2 is equals to 45. And the 2 is divided by 2 is equals to 1. So, di na nato siya apilon. Ang mabili niya is 45 is equals to L plus W. So, let's transpose the L to the left side. So, may mo siyang 45 minus L equals W, which is width. Tapos ito mag-solve sa perimeter. Let's go on to the area. So, how to solve area? So, it is 350 is equals to L over parenthesis 45 minus L. 350, L times L is equals to L squared plus 45L. So, ngano na 45L man? Because, imo siyang imo na siyang i-separate sa sulod. So, imo siya 45L. Next, L squared, i-transpose to the other side, may mo siyang negative. So, L squared minus 45L plus 350. Let's use quadratic formula on solving this equation. So, A is equals to 1, B is equals to negative 45, and C is equals to 350. L is equals to negative over parenthesis negative 45, positive negative, the square root of negative 45 squared minus 4 times 1 times 350 overall divided by 2. 45 positive negative square root of 2025 because positive times positive is negative. 45 times 45 is 2225 minus 4 times 1 is equals to 4. 4 times 350 is equals to 1,400. Overall, 2. So, 45 positive negative is equals to the square root of 625 overall 2. So, pamilyo na to ang square root sa 625. So, ang square root sa 625 is 25. So, let's move forward. So, 45 is separate nimo ang positive and negative. 45 plus 25 overall 2. And equals to the other side is 45 minus 25 overall 2. Next, let's plus the 45 plus 25 which will become 70. 70 overall 2. The other one is 45 minus 25 overall 2. The answer is 20 overall 2. So the length is 35 and the other length is 10. So, let's find the length. According to the problem, the length is the biggest number. So, let's try. Let's test it. So, 45 minus 35 because on the equation above, 45 minus length is equals to width. So, 45 minus 35 is equals to width. So, 45 minus 35 is 10. And the other one is 45 minus 10 is equals to 35. So, the length is equals to 10 and the width is equals to 35.
The fourth example of quadratic equation. Geometry and area problems. Quadratic equations can be applied to geometry problems involving shapes like squares, rectangles, and circles. For example, you can use quadratic equation to find the dimension of a rectangle with a given perimeter or the maximum area of the rectangle inscribed in a circle.
This is the first quadratic equation, projectile motion. When an object is thrown or launched into the air, its path can be described using quadratic equations by considering the initial height, initial velocity, and acceleration due to the gravity. You can calculate the object's maximum height, time, or flight. And
To me, Eller Julius, I'm going to represent the last part of True to Life problem. True to Life problem is Jake and Johan work in a car wash station. The time that Jake takes in washing a car alone in 20 minutes less than the time that Kenneth takes in washing the same car. If both of them work together in washing the car, it will take them 90 minutes. How long will it take each of them to wash the car? So first we're going to write the number of Johan because it was the biggest. So we're going to, our area is 90. Then we're going to write our AW and P equal to L plus W. So we're going to find the each of them minute how long it takes them to finish. So here's what that is. We're going to divide the 20. Wait, we're going to like 2 L plus W. We're going to divide the 20 by 2. We're going to cancel this pose, and so 20 divided by 2 is 10. So we're going to write 10 and then equal L plus W, and 10 equal L equal W also. We're going to 90 W and then 90 LW. So we're going to write our answer here. So 10 minus L or times 90 is going to write the 10 L 2. So how can we find the answer? We're going to use the quadratic equation. L squared times or negative 10 plus 90 is equal to 0. So we're going to do it in way of quadratic equation. L equal to negative, and then we're going to square negative 10 positive negative, again negative, and squared 10 minus 2, 4, 1, and 90. We're going to bring down the over 2 squared 1. So we're going to write the L, then positive negative. We're going to divide them. Means 10 divided by 10 is equal to 100. They were going to copy the sign that is minus. So 4 times 1 it is 4. So 4 times 90 is equal to 84. So we're going to over 2 equals to 10 plus positive negative is equal. So we're going to minus this, so it means equals to 16. 11 minus 84 is equals to 16. So we're going to bring this down. 10 plus 8. How did we get the 8? We just use it by pila ang naa sa 16. So, ang 8 times 2 is equals to 16. So we're going to write this 8 here. And then 2 or 10 negative 8 is over or divide 2. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18, and then let's divide them by 2, and also here 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, so we're going to bring it to 2. So 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And here our answer 2 divided by 2 is equal to L equal 1. So this is our answer for our true to life problem. Thank you.